Sumasakit ang ulo ko. Every time nakikita ko siya. Either on TV or kung naman naririnig ko. At lalo na doon sa Senate inquiry, talagang ang sakit-sakit ng ulo ko. Lalo nang halos magkatabi kami. You know, because up to now, I still haven't, I have not gained any grace to try to forgive him for what he did. Pinatawad ko na yung iba, yung mga nagamit nila na mag-persecute sa akin. Kasama na yung mga witnesses na yan, mga inmate witnesses. Pero siya na lang ang hindi ko pa kayang patawarin. Mahirap pa para sa akin. He knows, or he's supposed to know, na walang katotohanan yung mga pinaratang nila sa akin na involved daw ako sa droga. And yet, ganun ang ginawa. 7 years of your life being deprived of your liberty is 7 years. You know, I would consider it as a prime years of my life. Hindi pa nga ako senior citizen noon.
That's true.
Nung nakulong ako, I turned senior citizen while in jail. So, that's almost 7 years. So, mawalay ka sa pamilya, mawalay ka sa mga allies and friends. Of course, they could also visit, but limited lang yung mga visitation hours. And in fact, during the pandemic, may mga buwan pa na total lockdown na wala talaga akong kabisi-bisita, kahit pamilya. So it's difficult for me, and more difficult for me because he did that to a lot of our people.
That's true.
More than 20,000 lives